Breathe, or Easy Air as it's called in Canada. This is our respiratory blend. An amazing blend to help open up your airways. So whether you don't sleep well because you don't breathe well, or you have congestion or sinus challenges, or you're coughing or sneezing, anything like that, this oil is great in the diffuser, or a drop in cupped hands and just inhaling. Again, this is another one you can make a sinus steamer with. So drape your head and a cloth over a drop of Breathe in a mug of hot water to steam and let your sinuses and chest open up. You can use this one as a chest or a respiratory rub as well. Get rid of that Vicks Vapor Rub and the chemicals that are in that, and simply combine this with some fractionated coconut oil. Great before and after exercise, especially if you're someone who struggles with clear breathing during those activities. And then emotionally speaking, this oil helps us with grieving and grief. It helps us let go of heaviness that sometimes feels like it's sitting on our chest when we are going through a period of grief. Combine this one with lemon, peppermint, spearmint, and tea tree in the diffuser. Any of those combination of oils in there is going to help you with open, clear breathing. Eucalyptus, ooh, who doesn't like the wellness smell of eucalyptus? If you've ever been to a spa or a steam spa, or sometimes even a sauna, this is a beautiful oil in those environments. Anytime you breathe it in through the diffuser or a drop in your hands, you feel your airways really open up. It's an oil of wellness, of empowerment, of responsibility. It helps us just feel like, wow, I have a handle on things. So the most common ways to use this one, I would say, are in the diffuser. You can put a drop or two in your shower to get that eucalyptus type steam feeling in there. You can use it in room sprays. You can use it when combining with things like lemon or peppermint or rosemary. You can use it as a chest rub with some lotion on the chest if you're feeling any kind of congestion. And it's a great oil to use as a sinus cleanser and steamer over a hot mug of water. Okay, so those were the oils in the BOGO box that are available, and then different pairings will be available each day this week. If you are already a doTERRA customer, just know that each of these BOGOs only last for 1 day and while supplies last. If you're a customer, you want to use the loyalty rewards program so that you can get the most on your investment. So you get between 10 and 30% back on your purchase. If you're purchasing the entire BOGO box and you're an existing customer and you're at 30% back, you're going to get almost 60 points, just over 60 points to spend in the future. So it's an amazing way to get the BOGO box. If you have any questions on that, I've also done a video and posted it about how to order on your LRP and the BOGO box. If you are new and this is like, okay, this is my jam, I want to get started with these oils, I need someone great who's going to support me, I can be your oil gal for sure. We have an amazing community that you can be a part of. And I also do a complimentary wellness consultation with you and provide you with a welcome package and some extra goodies for you to get going. So if that's what you'd like to do and you'd like to get started with me, then you just go to this link on the screen here, bit.ly/doTERRA-get-started. You'll pick your country, you'll pick your region, then the enrollment kits will come up, you'll grab the BOGO box and you'll get going. Just fill in the rest and it ships directly to you. If you've missed the BOGO box and you want to get started, still check out the other kits that we have available and add whatever BOGO of the day is there. I highly recommend the Healthy Essentials kit as one of my most favorite starter kits. If you're on a lower budget, try the Healthy Start kit or the Simple Solutions kit, and you can take advantage of the BOGOs all year long, or any sale we have going on all year long. If you're in the US, again, the wholesale cost of the BOGO box is $189. If you're Canadian, it's $243. That's the wholesale price. You're saving a ton of money this way. So I hope you found that helpful, going through those oils with you, learned a few daily wellness tips that you can use your oils with. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below or reach out to me through the links underneath this video.